Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In this video, we'll show you how to fix the issue with Windows 11 Update KB5043131 failing to install. Just follow the steps, and you'll have the problem resolved in no time. Let's get started.
Step 1. Open File Explorer and navigate to this PC. Then, open your C drive. Inside, find and open the Windows folder. Now look for the Software Distribution folder. Once you find it, open it and select all the files inside. Simply delete them. Step 2. Open Command Prompt from the Start menu and run it as an administrator. Type the following commands one by one, and I'll also leave them in the video description for your convenience. Netch Winsock Reset, Netch Winsock Reset Catalog, Netch int ip reset log.txt, ipconfig flush DNS, ipconfig renew,
Continue with all of these commands at once. Copy the list and paste it into the command prompt using Ctrl+V or right-click. These commands will then be submitted.
Find your way back home. Here we go. And on we'll go. To see you again.
After you've completed all these steps, restart your system and hopefully the problem should be resolved. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.